Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Airdrops. First, understand that airdrops are a way for new crypto projects to gain visibility by distributing free tokens. Binance frequently partners with these projects, offering exclusive airdrops to its user base. To begin, ensure you have a fully verified Binance account, as this is a fundamental requirement for almost all airdrop participation. This initial step is crucial for securing your eligibility. To qualify for an airdrop, you often need to meet specific criteria, such as holding a minimum amount of a particular cryptocurrency in your Binance wallet or achieving a certain trading volume. Participation methods vary. Some airdrops require you to stake tokens, while others might involve simple tasks like following social media accounts. Always refer to the official Binance announcement page for each individual airdrop to understand the exact rules and requirements. Once you've met all the eligibility requirements, the airdrop tokens are typically distributed directly into your Binance Spot wallet. The exact timing of this distribution can vary significantly, so patience is key after you've completed the necessary steps. It's vital to remain vigilant against potential scams. Always verify any airdrop information through official Binance channels to protect your assets and ensure you receive legitimate tokens. To maximize your chances of participating in future airdrops, consistently monitor Binance's official announcement page and their social media channels. Staying informed is your best strategy for catching new opportunities as soon as they arise. Consider diversifying your cryptocurrency holdings, as many airdrops target users holding specific tokens. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This helps you stay prepared and hydrated while navigating the crypto world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.